Hey guys, Mike here with SkipperBud's, and I want to show you this beautiful 2024 Scout 255 Dorado in crystal blue. This is a brand new boat. It does have a couple of dealer demo hours from boat shows and just taking customers for rides. Twin 200s in Scout White. Moving up into the boat, this boat has a very large rear deck space, and you're fishing or just need some extra space, both the stern seat and the port side seat flip up out of the way. Underneath this rear facing seat, you have a nice insulated cooler box with drain. You also have a Yeti cooler on the rear of the helm seat with a cutting board and sink and tackle station. Nicely appointed helm, Garmin VHF, Garmin GPS, fusion head unit with JL speakers. Nice stainless framed windshield. This boat does have a pump out head. Moving forward, nice large bow seating area and windlass anchor. This boat is offered with a ton of incentives right now. Please reach out so we can discuss further. Thank you.